Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's Colorful Recap. Today we find ourselves in Shanghai, one of the busiest cities in the country. And guess what? We are gonna travel, we're gonna make a trip today, and then we are gonna use this iconic, train station in Shanghai. And before we do, let's explore this massive project and find out what it has to offer. I'm excited and I hope you are too. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into today's vlog. So this place is actually called the Shanghai Hongqiao Railway Station. It's a massive modern high-speed hub found in Minhang District in Shanghai, to the west of Hongqiao International Airport, Terminal 2. It's so massive. It looks much bigger than, several international airports around the world. This airport actually, I believe, I'm told that the construction began somewhere in July 2008 and was completed in July 2010, about 2 years. And it's a busy railway station. It handles high volumes of passengers daily. So here am I on the elevator going up, and there's a screen up there, giving some updates of the trains, the schedules, the times. So it's more like an airport, so it's not, you're not gonna get lost if you are not sure where to go, your train time. No worries about that. Now this train station covers about four floors, so that's really big. And it features several dining options, both local and international. So if you're gonna travel or if you're gonna use this railway station, do not worry, there's much food. So many options for you to try. It's a very busy spot, and looks like the place never sleeps. There is always passengers walking in and walking out. Huge numbers of passengers every single day, every single minute. So we are in the hallway trying to make way to our train for today. And as you can see, most of these travelers are the locals, that's Chinese. There are some foreigners too who live in Shanghai and also uses this railway station. It is known to be one of Asia's largest stations, connecting major cities via high-speed rail. And as we walk along the hallway, you can see there are so many stores, so many shops offering different kind of snacks or meals. So there is always an option for every kind of traveler, whether you're local or international. So here is a milk tea shop. Milk tea, yeah. They have different flavors, depends on what you like. So let's move on. And here is also a bread shop. Bread with a milk tea on the opposite side. Let's keep moving. So many shops in the hallway. All the snacks you will ever need for your trip, you can find them right here in this railway station. Oh, looks yummy, delicious. All right, let's move on. So there are so many passengers with their luggage walking around, some having their mails, and I think this looks more like a KFC, but it's not. I think it's a Chinese brand of KFC, providing, I think, similar diets or snacks like KFC. Now, whether you are in the station or far away, you can still get your ticket. We have ticket machines in this railway station, so you can walk in, get your ticket, and then go board your train. If you are far away, you can also get your tickets online. They have an app that you can use to get your tickets. So it's very convenient, very, very convenient. So exploring more snacks in the railway station. So many stores, so many shops with so many options for every kind of passenger passing through this railway station. I'm not sure what these snacks are. Well, let's still have a look. Okay, that's nice. It's got some drinks, got some noodles and bread. Alright, so let's move on. Now, as I keep walking, I see so many passengers coming out and some are going in, which should tell you that this is a very busy railway station. Some are dining while waiting, and some are also just dining and they'll just leave. So let's see what these people have. I think it's more like a milk tea shop to me. Yeah, they've got so many options. Alright, let's proceed. Let's move out. There are just so many people everywhere. And I'm told that these railway stations operate 24 hours a day. I mean, during peak seasons, they run 24 hours. So they never sleep. Here is another drink. I think it's more like a milk tea shop to me. Chinese people really like eating. I mean, it's more like a celebration, so they pay much attention when it comes to choosing their meals. So we keep exploring the Shanghai Hongqiao Railway Station. that's the waiting room or the waiting hall ahead of me. Now let's keep walking around. Let's see what this station has to offer. More and more shops on the way. But you should have in mind that, food items or prices of items are way more expensive, more like every airport. So if you are gonna spend some money, know that you're gonna end up spending even more. Now this is the waiting hall. The size is about 10,000 square meters, and it's capable of handling about 10,000 passengers at a time. It's really huge. There's more seats for almost every passenger that passes through this railway station. So the people you see here are all waiting for their trains. Yeah. And then once you book your tickets, it's actually recommended that you arrive earlier, at least 45 minutes before your train takes off, because you are gonna go through checks, security checks, luggage checks. So it's great to actually arrive earlier before your train time. So let's keep moving around. It's a beautiful structure. It looks so clean, so tidy. People walking in, walking out every single minute. Let's keep moving. Now this place is so huge that according to the record, it says as many as 210,000 passengers passes through this railway station every day. Average about 210,000 passengers. That's really huge. Yeah. And based on my experience, the trains are really safe, really convenient. So many people, prefer to take the trains when going on long distances than the flights. Yeah, the trains are being used by many people more than the flight because it's convenient and it's fast, very quick. When you sit in one, you can enjoy your trip from Shanghai to any point or any part of China. So once again, this is the Shanghai Hongqiao Railway Station, found in Shanghai. Really huge, really massive. Every time you step in, you are gonna see so many people, huge crowd waiting for their trains. And it's not that expensive. It's affordable taking these trains. So that is all for today, exploring the Shanghai Hongqiao Railway Station. Let me know what you think. Let me know your suggestions in the comment section. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out.